Welcome to this tutorial on how to enable protecting your videos on X, formerly known as Twitter, using your PC. If you're looking to safeguard your video content on the platform, follow these simple steps to get started. First, open X in your web browser. Once you're logged in, look at the left-hand side of your screen. You'll see a menu with several options. Locate the More icon. It's usually represented by 3 dots, and click on it. Next, select Settings and Privacy from the drop-down menu. This will take you to a page where you can manage various aspects of your account. From here, click on Your Account to access more detailed settings. Now navigate to Account Information. You may be prompted to enter your password for security purposes, so have it ready. Once inside the Account Information section, look for an option labeled Protected Posts. Click on Protected Posts, and you'll see a toggle or checkbox that says Protect Your Videos. Enable this setting by clicking it. This ensures that your video content is safeguarded and only visible to approved followers or viewers. And that's it. You've successfully enabled protection for your videos on X using your PC. By following these steps, you can take control of who views your content and ensure a more secure experience on the platform. Thank you for tuning in today. If you found this guide helpful, feel free to share it with others who might benefit from protecting their video content on X. Stay safe and enjoy creating with peace of mind.